Now let's take a closer look at the Flipside view of the app we've created from the utility application template. To inspect the Flipside view in Interface Builder so we can see how it really works, let's go back again and select the flipsideview.xib file in the Project Navigator. And the Flipside view nib file appears in the Interface Builder in the editor area. We can then click the View icon in the Interface Builder dock and click the Attributes Inspector button at the top of the Inspector pane, or of course choose View Utilities Attributes Inspector. And here are the view attributes for the You can see that it includes a black status bar and a dark gray background. Let's select Files Owner at the top of the dock and then click the Identity Inspector button, which is right here. And we can see that the file's owner and the object that it is going to use or own this file is Flipside View Controller. Well, first, how does the Flipside view appear? As you recall, the showInfo method in mainViewController.m, the showInfo method initializes the Flipside view with the initNibName method. This happens when the user touches the iInformation button. initWithNibName bundle method returns a newly initialized view controller with the nib file in the specified bundle. Okay, so that's how the Flipside view is initialized. But let's first look at mainViewController.h and see that mainViewController, which is adopting the Flipside View Controller Delegate protocol of UIViewController, is going to do something with it. And what's it going to do? We go back to mainViewController.m and we see the Flipside View Controller did finish method and the IBActionShowInfo method. But what the showInfo does is that it first initializes the Flipside view nib file, and that's with initWithNibName bundle. And here's the name of the nib file, Flipside view. Then it sets the controller modal transition style to UI modal transition style flip horizontal. And that's what gives you the slick animated flip transition when opening the Flipside view. As you can see, when the view controller is presented, the current view initiates a horizontal 3D flip from right to left, resulting in the revealing of a new view as if it were on the back of a previous view. Okay, so how's this view loaded? Well, let's look at FlipsideViewController.h. So here we have the Flipside View Controller, which is also using the UIViewController protocol, which is of course a fundamental view management model. Besides assigning it as a delegate, it also includes the IBActionDone method. I will shortly be explaining what the done method does. But for now, let's look at FlipsideViewController.m for a moment and take a good look at ViewDidLoad right here. The ViewDidLoad method. This is what's usually called after the controller's view is loaded into memory. ViewDidLoad is also commonly used to perform additional initialization steps on a view before actually displaying the view. In this case, it's assigning a background color to the view Flipside background color. In a little while, we're going to do a lot more with this ViewDidLoad method.